Morning, everyone. I hope you had time between last night and today to go through the content and the quiz in Moodle. If not, you have rest of the day to check the video content plus, you know, check the quiz, attend the quiz. So that is part of your class activity. So once you do that, once you submit it, I will be in a position to give you attendance based on that. So hope you have enough time to complete that. From next week, starting Monday, you can access the next content. Okay, so every week it goes like this. From Monday till Saturday, you have time to access the content assigned for that particular week for you guys, access the videos, access if there is any content, and attend the quiz or any other activity or any other assignment that is assigned to you. Okay, so every class activity, every class content will be activated from between Monday and Saturday. So you can choose to view the content and attend the quiz or attend the class activity in Moodle between Monday, anytime between Monday and Saturday. Nobody is going to question you why you decided to attend the quiz on a Monday. Even though our class is on a Saturday, it doesn't matter. So Moodle, you can access anytime between Monday and Saturday. Clear? Okay. Um, by the time you come back to class, come with your questions, your doubts, your clarifications. Unless otherwise you come with that, we won't have anything to discuss because the management wants us to discuss in class only the clarifications the students have. Okay, so we will have other sessions as well, but then mostly they want this interaction, the Google Meet interaction, to be clarifications, right? So I expect you to watch the content and get yourself, uh, in the platform of Google Meet with questions and clarifications. All right. Next week we will have some other content starting Monday. So today will be the last date for this week's content. Okay, so after which you may not be able to access the Moodle content assigned for this week. So before 4 or 4:30 today, please access the Moodle content and the attend the quiz. All right, just give a confirmation in our group as well that you have completed. Okay, so one more thing in the names reflecting here. Okay, please include your name, actual name as per the registration, plus your registration number as well. The last four digits, right? That's enough. Please mention that so that it will be easy for me to refer in the future. Okay, so please change your name reflecting in Google Meet accordingly. Okay, so is there any clarifications that you would like to ask me? We can discuss that right now. Nothing. இருந்தாலும் கேட்க மாட்டோம். Right, it doesn't matter. Starting next week, this class will be interactive, and I will plan something in terms of the content as well. Hopefully, we will have a 1 hour session next weekend. Okay, next Saturday. ஏதாவது கேக்குதாடா உங்களுக்கு நான் பேசுறது? Right, thank you. ஏதாவது ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. It doesn't look good. நான் வீட்ல தனியா உட்கார்ந்து பேசுற மாதிரி இருக்கு. Right? Please respond. சரி, okay. In terms of the Moodle content, let's say நீங்க Monday you find time to access the content, but on our class is on a Saturday. So நடுவுல ஒரு 5 days gap இருக்கு. So you may ask, sir, should we wait till Saturday to ask our doubts? Absolutely illappa. Absolutely no. You send me a message, group layo இல்ல as individual message also would do. Send me a message with your clarification, with your questions, with your doubts. I will respond to it the same day. Most of you know I respond immediately. Actually, I do. So maximum by the same day I will respond to whatever you're asking. Okay, so the reason why I'm asking you to do that is, imagine this. நீங்க ஒரு content பார்க்குறீங்க, you have a lot of doubt. ஒரு half an hour நீங்க அந்த கேப் விட்டுட்டு அந்த டவுட் என்னன்னு யோசிச்சா you won't even remember those doubts, most of you. Okay, so let's not wait till the class on Saturday. எப்பப்போ உங்களுக்கு என்னென்ன டவுட் வருதோ ப்ளீஸ் ஆஸ்க் மீ, either in the group or a separate message would do. I will respond as soon as possible. Within the same day, I promise I will respond. Okay, good, good to go. I take it as a yes. Okay, question time. Nothing. Right. Finish the Moodle content for assigned for this week by today, 4:30 maximum. அதுக்கப்புறம்னா attendance will be a problem. Okay, right. Okay. For the sake of those who joined a little late, I'm repeating again. The content will be open between Monday and Saturday in Moodle. So you may choose to attend or access Moodle between Monday and Saturday any time of your choice, and attend the quiz or attend the class activity. But then the content will be locked by Saturday evening, and based on your submissions, based on your you know uh, quiz, whatever you responded, based on which attendance will be given. Okay, so it doesn't mean class க்கு வர வேணாமா அப்படின்னு கேட்டா I will take pains to look at who is part of the class and who is not, and give attendance accordingly. So ரெண்டுமே வேணும், Moodle as well as Google Meet. I want all of you to participate. Okay, and now clarifications. If there is any doubts, then and there you can message me. Okay, it doesn't matter that you'll have to wait for Saturday for clarifications. You can as well send a group message or a separate message to me asking for your doubts and clarifications. Okay, that's it from me. There is nothing else. You can leave. Sonia, வாங்க, வெல்கம். 2 நிமிஷத்துக்கு கிளாஸ்க்கு வர்றது. 9:30 போட்டிருந்தோமா, 9:40 ஜாயின் பண்ணா அப்புறம் எப்படி இருக்கும்?